Adopt a Stop is a program available for partners, organizations, or even just like a group of friends. It's a good benefit for them to be recognized in the community, to get word out about the organization.
Adopters are tasked with checking on their stop bi-weekly and performing basic maintenance. This proactive care helps to prevent vandalism and keeps your local bus stop safe, clean, and thriving.
We do send them shovels, snow salt, some trash bag, gloves to kind of get them started.
The perks of adopting a bus stop include signage at the stop that recognizes your partnership with UTA, a 10-day per month transit pass that includes Frontrunner, and the opportunity to enrich your stop with community-inclusive artwork.
The stop that we chose to adopt, we wanted it to be one that a lot of people use and had a shelter that we could put some artwork on. We're really excited about the prospect of showing our community and showing the city how much we value public transportation. It's a pleasure to be able to make it clean and inviting and accessible for as many people as possible.
Adopters provide an important service to their community and UTA by keeping their adopted stop pleasant and accessible.
Students have long time used public transit to get to Spy Hop wherever we've been. For our community to also understand that we care. We want folks to see who we are and that we have pride in this community. And there is a bus stop right in front of our building. And we know our students use it. So for that connection and that level of responsibility and shared responsibility with UTA to have that space or that stop be something that is maintained and clean and safe and welcoming is really important to us.
If you are interested in adopting a stop, visit rideuta.com/adopt to fill out an application.